Let's start with the incredible website you see on your screen. You can create a professional, fully coded website just like this in minutes using Helium AI. To begin your own project, open Chrome and go to he2.ai and continue and you're in the main workspace. First, you must load your raw data. Go to the Adaptive Intelligence memory, insert your raw files like this PDF, and save it. Organize your files into a folder and add a hashtag, like #home_workout. This step primes the AI with all the information it needs. Now we give the AI a big task. Return to the chat and write your prompt. We asked it to create a complete, compelling investor pitch deck with a strong hook, the solution, and a clear revenue model. But here's the secret. You must use the hashtag to fetch all the data you just saved in AIM. Helium AI instantly recognizes the command. The Helix machine quickly takes over, breaking the huge task into smaller, manageable steps for research and strategic content creation. After the planning phase, we tell the AI what mood we want for the final presentation. We choose the Ember style for an energetic and motivating fitness look. But we need a website immediately. We send a new command. Create a fully working website to showcase this app design. The AI pivots instantly. The Helix plan adapts, immediately launching into website development. It rapidly generates all the front-end code, the HTML, CSS, and JAVAScript, to make the site look great and function perfectly. In moments, the entire site is coded and served. We get the website is live, the notification, and a summary of the modern, energetic design it chose. And here is the professional finished landing page for our Vitality Vibe app. It showcases the real-time corrections, key features, and a clear path for new users. From a simple PDF idea to a live, beautiful website, Helium AI handles the heavy lifting in minutes. Go to he2.ai to start building your ideas today.